Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of people are interested in. How long does it take for a relay bank transfer to reflect? I'm going to start by explaining what a relay bank transfer is and how it works. Then, I'll discuss the factors that can affect the time it takes for a relay bank transfer to reflect. Finally, I'll provide some tips for making sure that your relay bank transfer goes through as quickly as possible. So, let's get started. What is a relay bank transfer? A relay bank transfer is a type of bank transfer that is used to transfer money between two different banks. It is a two-step process. First, the money is transferred from the sender's bank to a third-party bank, which is known as the relay bank. Then, the money is transferred from the relay bank to the recipient's bank. Relay bank transfers are typically used when the sender's bank and the recipient's bank are not part of the same clearinghouse network. Clearinghouses are organizations that process bank transfers. If two banks are part of the same clearinghouse network, then they can use a direct bank transfer to transfer money between each other. How does a relay bank transfer work? Here is a step-by-step explanation of how a relay bank transfer works. The sender initiates the bank transfer by providing the recipient's bank name, account number, and routing number to their bank. The sender's bank sends the money to the relay bank. The relay bank receives the money and then sends it to the recipient's bank. The recipient's bank receives the money and credits it to the recipient's account. Factors that can affect the time it takes for a relay bank transfer to reflect. There are a number of factors that can affect the time it takes for a relay bank transfer to reflect. These factors include the type of relay bank transfer that is being used. There are two types of relay bank transfers, domestic and international. Domestic relay bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to reflect. International relay bank transfers typically take 3 to 7 business days to reflect. The banks involved in the transfer. Some banks process relay bank transfers more quickly than others. The time of day that the transfer is initiated. Transfers that are initiated early in the day are more likely to reflect quickly. The day of the week that the transfer is initiated. Transfers that are initiated on weekdays are more likely to reflect quickly. The recipient's bank's policies. Some banks have policies that require them to hold onto incoming funds for a certain period of time before they are credited to the recipient's account. Tips for making sure that your relay bank transfer goes through as quickly as possible. Here are a few tips for making sure that your relay bank transfer goes through as quickly as possible. Use a domestic relay bank transfer if possible. Choose a bank that is known for processing relay bank transfers quickly. Initiate your transfer early in the day. Initiate your transfer on a weekday. Be aware of the recipient's bank's policies regarding incoming funds. Relay bank transfers are a convenient way to transfer money between two different banks. However, it is important to be aware that they can take some time to reflect. By following the tips in this article, you can help to ensure that your relay bank transfer goes through as quickly as possible. If you have any questions about relay bank transfers, please leave a comment below. I would be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.